So cold, it really feels like I'm eating ice cream. Is this how you make ice cream? Did I make ice cream? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Natty. If you're not subscribed to my channel yet, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. And while you're there, go ahead and hit the bell notification so you get notified whenever I post a video. Okay, so in today's video, I am going to make a smoothie bowl. You guys know what a smoothie bowl? It's practically a really cute smoothie in a bowl with cute little toppings and yummy, nutritious fruits and stuff that is good for your health and good for your body and makes you feel nice and yummy. I've never ever made a smoothie bowl, so this is gonna be my first time trying it, and I hope it comes out really well because I've been seeing these smoothie bowls all over Pinterest. They're so fruity and colorful. I've seen them for a long time, and I always say I'm going to make them, and I've never made it, and I just never do it. So I'm gonna give it a shot, and hopefully it comes out delicious and pretty. I'm gonna attempt to make it look pretty and bright for you guys. So what I'm going to make is a mango pineapple banana smoothie bowl. I already froze the bananas and all the fruit. All I gotta do is put it in the blender and hopefully it tastes delicious. All right, here we go. If you're wondering what the noise was in the back, the banging, that was Desi. He's playing with his blocks. I needed to keep him entertained. So he's playing with his blocks. Hopefully I can make this smoothie bowl without any interruptions. He seems pretty good, so we'll see. First I'm just chopping up the fruit that I'm going to put in on top of my bowl to make it look pretty.
Mommy!
Yes, baby? You want some? I'm cutting enough for Desi and I. You want to say hi, Desi? Say hi. I'm excited for my smoothie bowl. Say hi.
Hi.
Kiwi. So we got kiwi, pears, granola, coconut clusters, and chia seeds that we're gonna throw on top. So what I did was pre-froze one large mango and about 1.5 cups of a pineapple and 2 bananas. So I'm gonna add everything to the blender, all the frozen things to the blender. And I don't want it to be like a smoothie, like drinkable smoothie. I just want it to be, I want it to be creamy and thick. So I'm going to add a little bit of unsweetened almond milk, a tad, so it can blend. And then I'll add the frozen bananas after because it probably won't blend well with so much frozen stuff. It's not blending very well, so I'm gonna add a little bit more almond milk, just a tad. Whoops, I spilled. Just a tad. And I did break apart what I froze. So I think next time what I'll do is I'll either separate the fruit so it's in smaller baggies because it's kind of hard to break, or I'm gonna purchase the already frozen fruit that's kind of already separated for you. So that's much better, and then I'm just gonna add, I'm not gonna add it there because it doesn't fit.
Mama.
Like I said, this is the first time I've made it. Let's put the tap on. So basically, I would say just add as much milk or water, whatever liquid you're using, as needed. I ended up... I'm really happy the way it turned out and the thickness. In the future, I'm definitely gonna add some greens, but for the sake of how pretty I wanted it to look, the bright yellow, I didn't add it today. I'll make this look extra pretty. Adding kiwi, some pears, some granola. You want some? Okay. Yeah. Some coconut clusters. Some chia seeds. Looks pretty, right? See how it tastes, guys. Desi. Taste it. Tastes like ice cream. Taste it. Taste it. You guys want to taste it? Really good, you guys. I wish I wouldn't have added the banana so I can taste the pineapple more, but it's so good. It literally tastes like I'm having dessert. And what I made is enough for like 3 people, I think. Good, buddy? Yum. Good stuff. Your brother and sister are gonna be jealous when they see this video. So cold, it really feels like I'm eating ice cream. Is this how you make ice cream? Did I make ice cream? Do you like it, Desi? Do you like it? Use your spoon. Use your spoon. Granola. You eat it. Thank you guys for watching. If you liked my video, give it a like. If you want to see more videos like this, go ahead and leave it in the comments below so I know this is what you guys like to see. If you've tried this already, let me know. Give me some tips. Thanks for watching. Go ahead and subscribe, like the video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Say bye, everyone.